What's up, YouTube? Yeah. But nah, I'm back today, man. We got another video for y'all today, man. What we doing in the shop today. Man, we got this Lincoln right here, 2018 MKX. I think that's what it is. We're gonna do some brakes on this today. I gotta finish inspecting that right there. And this right here, I'm thinking I need a PCM. Or get a PCM Monday. But yeah, the main focus today is we focusing on this right here. This MKX, yeah, it's a 2018 MKX. Oh no, that's a 2016, y'all. 2016 is more clean though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, I know we gotta do some brakes on here for sure today, so I'm gonna get my camera set up and everything for y'all so y'all can see me do that. And whatever else I'm gonna do today, you know. You just gonna have to see y'all, but stay tuned. Like I said, I was gonna take y'all with me today. And man, I seen this leak on the floor. I ain't see it earlier in the day. Well, yesterday when I inspected it, but something leaking. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's that hose. I can't zoom in, but yeah, the hose right there leaking. So I'm gonna try to get that sold with this thing today. And back to the shit. I probably shouldn't even change this, to be honest. But y'all can't see it, but let me get y'all in there. Like we got a little oily down there. So y'all probably can't see it, but there's some oil down there. Probably this oil filter housing leaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and change. I already changed it anyway, so. But I think usually the new ones come with a filter in it too, though. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and change this one, though. Even though they're probably gonna get another one, but whatever. Y'all get this thing result. My daddy was a Rolling Stone. And then my mama had it going on. And down, oh. Had to get my room. This boy gonna say something crazy, y'all. Watch out for him.
That what you doing today?
Yeah, that's my plan day to do it. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like which piece I'm gonna fuck with the most. But I think it just really just depends on where I'm working at. So.
What you mean?
Like I got that. Yeah, I got the headpiece too.
Nigga, I already told you. Nigga, don't even get me called.
Hey, see, you saying that, but when I record the video with the headpiece on, I get more better shit I can pick up.
But I would put the headpiece on versus that. That shit look like it's uncomfortable.
No, actually the headpiece won't come because it's something fucking heavy just hanging off top of your head.
That's why what I told you last time. Nigga, get a GoPro, nigga. This nigga want a tablet.
All right, y'all, we back with this Lincoln. You feel me? And then, man, if you're doing real brakes on these Lincolns, you gotta put them in the park brake. maintenance mode. So we're gonna go and get that in park brightness mode and get started. I got the chin itching, y'all, but hey, let's get it. Oh shit. Let's see if I can remember. Gonna push that button in, hold the gas, then press the on, what are you gonna call it, on start button, and then cut it back off. So let's try it. Hit the button, foot on the gas, hit the switch, let everything light up, hit that mother again, cut it off, cut it back on one more time, y'all. Let's see what it say. In park brake maintenance mode. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this camera off, get y'all set up so we can do these brakes.
Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Oh, I said, stuck to your teeth, you got everything. I can't believe how you've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, the sun's in my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
We about to put this thing back on the car. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I'm over there. Alright, you two, we back. Man, we gotta clean this hardware up. I usually try to clean up the marks. You know, you can see where it's rubbing at real good. And make sure I grease it up, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about though. So let me just go ahead and get to it. do got a drill brush too for this dude. I ain't using it right now. A little of that brake clean on it, you feel me? Put a little bit of grease on this bad boy now. Ain't gotta go too crazy with it, you feel me? I'll put a little bit on the marks right there. When the brake pads be sliding at. Can't forget about these either. Clean these up a little bit. Just put a light little bit of coat of grease on them. Let them all slide too, you feel me? Yeah. Don't need too much, just a little. Now it's time to go put this thing back on the car, y'all. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I'm finished with the whole front axle. I'm gonna go to the back and show y'all how that's done. But yeah, that's what I'm doing in the shop today. Man, actually I lied to y'all. I'm gonna set the camera up and actually let y'all see me put it back together, so y'all can understand how I go. And then yeah, I ain't gonna do the other side because y'all already know how I go. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna get back to the back. So let me go and set this camera up for y'all. We're gonna get back to it. We got that boy done. Both sides too, y'all. One of them pretty bad car. Oh, we went from that movie, y'all, before they get mine. Yup. We done now, y'all. Put these tires back on. I gotta do alignment too, so we'll probably do alignment with me today, y'all. I'll let y'all see how I do it, but we done. At least for this car. Alright, so we back with the links, yo. If you gotta get this thing out park brake maintenance mode, it should still be the same though, but actually it ain't gonna be the same. That's cutting it on. Instead of pushing in, you have to pull out on the button. So let me open it up for y'all. Yeah, it's still on park brake maintenance mode too, as y'all can see. But yeah, let me wipe my camera real quick. But yeah, let's try it. Alright, so I pushed it in. Let me pull out. Foot on the gas. You hit the button. Let everything load up. Is it going out? Nah, it's still in there. Cut it off again, y'all. Still holding the button and the gas. Cut it back on again. Let's see. Oh, I hear the calipers. Oh, it's gone. It's out of maintenance mode, y'all. So now we're just gonna tap the brakes, get them a little rock hard. We getting up out of here. We gonna do alignment. Yeah. We need to add some tires. Add some air to these tires. Man, we might be alright. It's cold. Man, what's good? I was telling y'all about the tool that we broke. It's my Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet. I'm on broke. I use it a lot. And my T15. Luckily, it's all on the warranty by the great corn wheel. So I'm about to turn this shit in because I need this. And Snap-on ain't brought me my other one. So I don't know what his problem is, but I need my shit though. Excuse my language, but I need my shit because one, this shit ass compared to Snap-on. And two, I just need my Snap-on. I like Snap-on. I don't care what nobody say. I ain't no electrical tool better than Snap-on. I don't care. I done had my Snap-on ratchet for a long time. I ain't never ran into nothing like this or even catastrophically breaking like this. So yeah, I'm sticking with Snap-on, but I did get the Milwaukee because it was on a deal. Buy 2 tools, get 1 free. So yeah, but we gonna head out there. See if we can get this thing swapped out or at least get it warranted. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, let them know what he said. Let y'all know what he said. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all. They warranty out the T15. So I got my T15, but they gonna ship my Milwaukee tool off.
I'm getting paid.
I gotta go to Crestview?
Nah,
No.
I'm